agent friends. Lisa Pinder here with the Pinder Group of eXp Realty. If I don't know you, if I've never done a deal with you, nice to meet you. But if I have, it's good to see you again. I wanted to reach out to you guys because your numbers pulled very impressive in Accokeek, Maryland. And I've got a new listing that I would love for you guys to check out. If you have anybody in your database that's thinking about moving to Accokeek, this would be an amazing house to take advantage of. It's got 3,200 square feet up top. The basement is finished. Though a little outdated, there's room for growth there. It has an impressive backyard with a large deck and a patio with a gazebo. It's got trees in the back. It's really, really cool. And it's in a cul-de-sac. But one thing they did do for me was they updated the kitchen and then they updated a few of the bathrooms. So there's a nice lake to work with there. There's hardwood flooring, just a lot of the attributes a lot of the home buyers are looking for right now. And of course, at a lower price point than my new construction are selling. So if you're in the area on Sunday, May 26th from 1 to 3, or if you need a client to send by, trust me, just give your name and we'll take care of them all the way and make sure that you are represented on the other end. So if you need anything, if you want to come through, do some social media footage, as most of you do, please don't hesitate to stop by. Have a great one, guys. Bye.